This is an update video on my David Bradley tractor. I did not get the hood pinned on yet. This is a 917-57561. This originally would have had a Continental engine where the cylinder lays flat. I have been unable to find one. But I have this Briggs & Stratton Model 8 engine. Model 8, type 702018. This tractor was made 51 to 53. There were two models. One had Continental and one had a Briggs Model 8. It would have a Sears 500 number, I think. But so this motor would have been used on the other model. As far as I know, the rest of the tractor is the same. The only difference was the engine, because it sounds like Briggs was not able to produce enough motors to keep up with demand. So that's why they bought some Continentals. That's what I read on the internet anyways. Don't know if you can believe everything. But they're the same horsepower, 2.5. This engine has compression. And I did have spark. Now I have to, this is part of the governor assembly, or throttle. It's got the spring. I have a carburetor, but the brass needle, jet, whatever you want to call it, broke in half taking it apart because it corroded so bad. So I working on getting a carburetor on here yet. And then this engine should have had a vane type governor in there. And I have not been able to find one to put on here yet. I have a pile of old parts I have to dig through yet, see if I can come up with one. I do have a Sears Briggs engine, Model 500, that is actually a Briggs Model 6 that I could put on here. It'd be a little bit less horsepower, but that one has a mechanical governor over here. But I'm going to try to get this Model 8 working on here, unless I could come up with a Continental engine. But I did bolt the gas tank onto the transmission, and I still have to fix this. I picked up a parts David Bradley model older. It has a good horseshoe bail. If I can get the nuts off, I'll swap them around. But that's how far I've come on this one. Hopefully I'll get it running in a week or two. Thank you.